What's up, my pointios? Andy with Andy Vlogs. Excited to share with you guys this content here. As the title suggests, guys, we're going to be going over the Apple Magsafe crystal clear case here. I'm really excited to be able to show it for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. There's been a lot of buzz around it being brittle, so having something that is really sleek in the hand, is crystal clear, but something that also provides drop protection and the use of Magsafe, which is awesome. With that said, this is not a sponsored video. Apple didn't send this to me, but I did pay my own money here, but I will have a link for it and all the other accessories that we will go over here in the video. With that said, let's go to unbox it and show you what this looks like, see if it's worth it. Unboxing is super straightforward here. Typically, you just peel off. You can recycle, obviously, the contents. Nonetheless, the case itself is made out of a polycarbonate material, and also it's like a silicone so it doesn't yellow. Although there is a tinge of yellow to this, which is kind of interesting. I'm getting that feeling as I look at it. But it's super smooth, it's super shiny, and it's a little bit reflective. As you can see, I can reflect it, but what's nice here is it's transparent, so you can have that black titanium shine through, or whatever style of phone that you decided for. Coming close here, as you can see, it's made out of high quality material. It looks like the Magsafe is kind of dropped right into the actual silicone rather than having a groove, which is kind of cool. In reality here, it looks like they've just dropped it and glued it in, but it's kind of a cool look here with the anchor and the Magsafe to have that really close, so you can see that it's got that cool texture there. With that said here, it is pretty sturdy, made out of TPU and polycarbonate material. You've got buttons here for the volume rocker as well as the action button. It's not punched out. They also have one for the power button here. They've opted into an open bottom, which is kind of interesting. I've never liked these. Every time I've dropped my phone, it's always popped out because of this, because it doesn't grip all the way around. But that just leaves for an open I/O and speaker set as well. And they've obviously got a groove here punched out for the camera bump. Placing the phone in there for the first time, it should have the Magsafe here for the case. It looks really cool because this is an Apple product. It's got Magsafe, but coming close, as you can see, it just looks cool as you've got the titanium black there shining through the case itself. I really like that. With that said, it is Magsafe compatible here, so you can go ahead and slap on a bunch of these different types of accessories here. Slapping on this Magsafe compatible device from the folks at iWalk. It's nice because it acts as like a desk buddy, but it also charges 5 watts, 5,000 milliamps, which will give you about a full charge or so. You can opt into something like a little more robust, which is the SnapGrip from the folks at ShiftCam. This is a shutter button grip, which is really cool as well. It comes with a 5,000 milliamp battery that pushes out 5 watts as well. You can see the animation will hit once it charges. And then it's even got like this really cool piece that you can clip off here, whether it's off of it or from the unit itself, that acts as like a selfie light or a subject light tripod selfie stick, which is pretty cool. Lastly here, I've got this unit here that provides you a 3-in-1 charging station, which I think is really cool. You got this piece from Murpiso, slap it on there, and you can even put your AirPods with your case, and even put your Apple Watch 9, which I've got a Nomad case. This is their rugged case and strap, which is really cool, as well as the mouse leather, which I think is nice to the touch. As you can see, it's all charging here at the same time. It looks really nice. And you even have like LEDs, which are kind of fun, that can be turned on and off. With that said, my ponios, is this worth it? I've never really bought into their silicone case, like this clear, crystal clear case. It's a little too pricey for my end. If you check on Amazon or some of the other competitors, there is probably 2 of these types of cases that you can get. I even have one with the kickstand that I recommended from the folks at VicMars that is a fraction of this. You can get 2 or 3 of them. So if you wanted something that is purely Apple that has that Magsafe animation, this might be for you. Otherwise, go ahead and get a knockoff. It's probably gonna be in your best interest to save a little money. Nonetheless, I'll have links to all these products down below and links in the description. My name is Andy with Tech Influence. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.